Okay guys, in this video we're using the same problem as the last video, except to answer the questions we're going to create a Venn diagram inside of a two-way table. So same information. I wanted to know which social media platform was more popular, so I asked 25 teenagers if they had an Instagram or not. Then I asked them if they had a Snapchat. 17 said they have an Instagram, 11 have both, and 5 have neither. So the first thing we need to do is create our Venn diagram. So let's make this Snapchat. We'll make that Instagram. Okay, now let's fill in. I know 17 have an Instagram. I know 11 have both. And I know that 5 have neither. So the neither goes outside our bubbles, but inside our box. Okay, so here's what we need to do now. See this 17 right here? 17 people have an Instagram, but also 11 of those people have both. So because that 11 is in my middle bubble, it already got counted. So I have to take them out of the 17 or else I'm going to double count those 11 people. So I always like to start with the total, subtract whatever's in my overlap, and that's what I end up with. There are 6 people who have only an Instagram. So we're going to have to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to set this up right now. I'm going to have some number right here that I need to find. I'm going to subtract 11, and that's going to give me the number of people that have only a Snapchat. But I'm not quite ready to figure that out yet. Okay, so let's come down here. I know that I have 25 people total. So 5 people have neither. We found 6 people who have just an Instagram. 11 people have both. And then there's that red box, that number that I'm looking for. I don't know what it is. But all of those numbers together have to be 25. Okay, so let's go back. We got 11 plus 11 more is 22. So inside that red box has to be 3. So those are the 3 people that have a Snapchat but nothing else. That's them. Which means this must be 14. So Venn diagrams are a little bit tricky because sometimes you have to work backwards. But let's double check. I think we got them all. So we have 5 people outside. 6 in there, 11 in there, and 3 more. Yep, we're good. We got everybody. Okay, we're ready for problems. So part A, what is the probability that a randomly selected teenager has Snapchat or Insta, but not both? Okay, so let's just use our bubbles. All we need to do is count. So first of all, I know that there are 25 people, so it's going to be something out of 25. So I'm looking for, I'll highlight, people that have a Snapchat or an Instagram, but no both. So that 11 in the middle, I don't want them. These people have just a Snapchat. These people have just an Instagram. Neither of them have both. So we're going to add those together. We get 9 over 25, which is 0.36. Okay? That was part A. Part B. What is the probability? What is the proportion of teenagers that have an Instagram? So this is just a different way of wording it, but if I say what proportion or what is the probability, I'm really looking for the same thing. So what proportion of teenagers have an Instagram? Okay, so it doesn't say anything about the overlap. I don't care if they have a Snapchat or if they have both. I just want to know if they have an Instagram. So again, this has to be out of 25 because I have 25 people. And I'll highlight all 17 of these people have an Instagram. 11 of them have both, but it didn't ask me anything about that. So I just want to know who has an Instagram. All 17 of them. And this is 68% of teenagers. Alright guys, there's your Venn diagram.